Sanibonani and welcome to my YouTube channel. Mutaba was very surprised to find out that Uzoleka is the one who came up with the idea. Kodwa nje wayishela wathi sisi bengikuthembile ukucelebrate ngikuthandile yabona Nkosi yami. And Uzoleka naye was like it's not how it seems. Yeah, understand. Ma, she tried shame. Hey, once those were not in her intentions ukuthi mhlambe ifamily ihlukana or kanjani. Ndabe ukuthi wena uyabhala thina ibhaliwe. I was promised years ago. Azande was being prepared all these years. When mawufika uyacima. Uthi Uzoleka yena, she was only thinking about the legacy, not the inheritance and all that. So auntie siyakwata ukuthi kusho ukuthi thini most we are not blessed enough to use our brains ufike wento sicabangele and all that and that. Hey, Nkosi yami ulimele uma-aunties really. Uthumeka naye on the other side naye nje. Ulimele uyalimala over and over again because it's finding out things now that Uhlathi is willing to say. Kodwa njena is not the things that Uthumeka wants to hear. Cause manje it's like you came to me, remember, you were doing my laundries, you were doing my undies before anything happened. You took over. And yes, number week I was wrong because I was supposed to protect my marriage with Uzoleka because I was the one who was married. Yeah, I understand. What it happened, we have kids, we raised them, all of them. Silana ngoku, how do we fix this? I understand because the past is done, but how do we fix this? Uthomeka doesn't seem like someone who wants to fix things because like blame. Cela uHlathi ukuthi hayi nje ayikho leyo nto. uHlathi usuyasho nje ukuthi yazi this thing back and forward, you being a victim and all that. Thanda I told you the same thing. Ukuthi ufakele isandla sisi. It's not like it just happened. Uyabona? Nalo uHlathi uyasho ukuthi let's not forget ukuthi you are the one who pushed uLikamva to the point of killing of him getting unalived. Uthumeka wakhala inyembezi. Auntie doesn't want anything to do with Uzoleka shame because now, yeah, and she was sure that they're getting the Azande is gonna be lead. Kodwa Uzoleka is saying that it's Azande ready now. Bona taking the company and giving it to Azande to lead it. He sees someone who's ready or they're setting him up for a failure. Yeah, she's not gonna sit around and see that and let Umtana be set up for a failure. Mawethu lo onga they're worried about the position yabo, and the uSignizondo is trying to get someone to like people to work for him so that he can get like people who are willing to spend money on him. Sanibonani. I guess umawethu naye reached the point Kalinda, whereby she was feeling like, remember Olinda who felt like she's no longer growing lapana Ikusela Tech, she needs to expand and find other ways to understand. Naye umawethu feels like that. She needs a position. And I don't know how ihlangana kanjani. No Signi wanting a CIO and umawethu saying that he feels like he's not growing lapana Ikusela Tech. Does that mean that umawethu is gonna work for Signi? Because like what else what's next for Mawethu? Because it's the best engineer, right, Kusel? And akusanale position, like they were saying that maybe Azande is up for a position kabani ka onga. So Ulas was like angas you guys are talking about utsinji. So now the only position is CIO, Whoopi, Azande technologist. Asaz mhlawumbe mawethu hey, he's got to jump ship and go and work for uZondo. Hey, kodwa with that information yekhusela engaka. Yo, masazi. So uZoleka has been blaming uHlathi for uThumeka, I mean, has been blaming uHlathi for so long. Ukuthi ukhethile, you chose what. All this time after kushona kwalikamva. And uHlathi never once said that. Yakhumbula the reason why ulikamva left. He never. I feel like manje sewufike la sekafile ngathi manje yo been trying so hard kodwa lo mfazi akafuni ukundiyiva. That's the reason why he went down to that point of saying, "Aibo girl, don't act like you don't know. You are the one who pushed him to like the last person. You are. You are the one who did that because now you hated Uzechu so much that you even like your own son. I understand you couldn't stand him. That's why he left here. But we kule situation like ngalesa sikhathi because you guys were fighting. Now uThumeka akayifuni nakancane. I mean, like uThumeka can dish it, right? UThumeka can dish it all the time, but she can't take it. When it's her turn to take it, I shame kunzima. She would rather cry. Adule umlomo.